Have you ever wondered if there's a single meal that could help clear out your arteries? It sounds almost too good to be true. Today we're diving into that topic, exploring the best meal to reduce plaque buildup and support heart health. First, let's understand what's happening inside your arteries. Understanding your arteries. Arteries are crucial to our survival as humans. They are tube-like blood vessels that help transport oxygen, hormones, and nutrients throughout our bodies. Arteries are part of our body's circulatory system that carries oxygen from the heart to the body's cells. Imagine your arteries as smooth, pristine tunnels. Over time, these tunnels can become lined with plaque, a mixture of calcium, protein, and cholesterol. This plaque buildup is a significant factor in cardiovascular diseases, which are the leading causes of death globally. This is why we must do what we can to keep these pristine tunnels clean and clogged free from calcium, cholesterol, or any other arteries clogging substances. What causes plaque to form? The story starts with inflammation and damage. Your arteries can become damaged from various sources like high sugar intake, smoking, high blood pressure, or even chronic stress. Once there's damage, cholesterol comes to the rescue, acting like a band-aid. However, this temporary fix can lead to more problems, causing plaque to build up over time. Plaque doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It's often the result of small, dense LDL cholesterol particles, which are particularly problematic. These particles are more likely to penetrate the artery walls and become oxidized, leading to inflammation and plaque formation. High sugar and refined carbs can elevate these dangerous LDL particles. Moreover, calcium can accumulate in the arteries due to a deficiency in vitamin K2, which is essential for directing calcium to the bones instead of the arteries. Biofilms, colonies of microbes, can also contribute to this problem, as they build up protective calcium shells to shield themselves from the body's immune system. As you probably know, calcium is good for our bones, but dangerous for our arteries, because arteries comprise tube-like structures, primarily responsible for blood transportation through the circulatory systems and lymph for the lymphatic systems. Before discussing healthy meals for the arteries, let's first talk about the essential nutrients the arteries need to prevent plaque buildup. Superstars, vitamins and nutrients for the arteries. To tackle plaque buildup, we need to focus on essential nutrients: vitamin K2, vitamin C, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin K2 is crucial for directing calcium away from your arteries and into your bones. Without enough K2, calcium can deposit in your arteries, leading to stiffening and increased plaque. Vitamin C, known for its antioxidant properties, vitamin C helps prevent oxidation and inflammation. It also supports the integrity of the arterial walls. Vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant protects the arteries from oxidative damage and inflammation, maintaining the health of our cardiovascular system. Omega-3 fatty acids. These fats reduce inflammation and help maintain flexible, smooth arterial walls. Now, the heart-healthy meals. Now, let's assemble the ultimate meal to support your heart health. We'll start with a star ingredient: wild-caught salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon reduces inflammation and supports the health of your heart and arteries. Because salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it helps lower triglycerides and cholesterol levels in arteries and veins. It also helps to strengthen cardiac muscles and repair cardiovascular tissue. It is important to note that salmon is not alone in this. All fatty fish that contain omega-3 fatty acids have the same benefits. Next is sauerkraut. This fermented cabbage is a powerhouse of probiotics and vitamin K2. The probiotics support gut health, which is closely linked to cardiovascular health. and vitamin K2 helps keep calcium out of your arteries. Sauerkraut contains lots of fiber, which can help remove cholesterol from the artery walls. It also helps prevent calcium deposits build up in arteries due to its heavy contents of vitamin K2. An important green. For our greens, we'll use arugula. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with antioxidants, fiber, and potassium. The arugula helps lower blood pressure and supports liver health, which is essential for the overall well-being of the arteries. Here is how you can prepare super meal for your arteries' health. Start with a base of fresh arugula. It's loaded with nutrients and provides a crunchy texture. Top it with wild-caught salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Add a generous portion of sauerkraut for that tangy flavor and a boost of probiotics and vitamin K2. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. This healthy fat helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins and provides anti-inflammatory benefits. Sprinkle on some sunflower seeds for an extra vitamin E. Finish with a hard cheese like Parmigiano Reggiano, rich in vitamin K2. Be sure to choose authentic cheese for the best benefits. Optional. Add a bit of fresh garlic. It has antimicrobial properties and can help thin the blood, reducing the risk of clots. It's incredible how the right combination of foods can significantly impact our health. This heart-healthy meal isn't just nutritious, it's also delicious and easy to prepare. By incorporating these ingredients into your diet regularly, you can take proactive steps to improve your cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Remember, consistency is critical. It's not about eating one meal and expecting miracles. Instead, focus on making these foods a regular part of your diet. Over time, you'll likely notice overall health and well-being improvements. Let's quickly recap the key takeaways from today's video. Understand plaque formation. Plaque buildup in the arteries is caused by inflammation and damage, leading to the accumulation of cholesterol, calcium, and other substances. Essential nutrients. Vitamin K2, C, E, and omega-3 fatty acids are crucial in maintaining heart health and preventing plaque buildup. Heart-healthy foods. Wild-caught salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation. Sauerkraut, packed with probiotics and vitamin K2 to support gut and heart health. Arugula, a nutrient-dense green that helps lower blood pressure and supports liver function. Extra virgin olive oil provides healthy fats and anti-inflammatory benefits. Sunflower seeds, a great source of vitamin E for antioxidant protection. Parmigiano Reggiano cheese contains vitamin K2 to help keep calcium out of the arteries. Garlic offers antimicrobial properties and supports blood thinning. Try incorporating this heart-healthy meal into your weekly meal plan to make the most of this information. Experiment with variations and add your favorite heart-friendly ingredients to keep things interesting. You'll be on your way to better heart health by making small, consistent changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit. Leave a comment below to let us know your favorite heart-healthy recipes or any questions you have about maintaining cardiovascular health. And there you have it, a meal designed to support heart health and help clear out your arteries.